Hey everyone, this is a fun homeschool recap today. We had a good time doing a photo contest that incorporated any of the basic elements of good photography. I referred the kids yesterday to the following website. I'll share that with you right in here. So we took a look at this website, which was by Fix the Photo. I highly recommend it. What I like about this website is, in addition to talk about the 7 main principles of design photography, it actually shows you examples. So here are the principles that they talk about: balance, and here are some example pictures: balance, emphasis, pattern, unity, contrast, movement, there we go, and hierarchy. In addition to these 7 principles, I taught the kids about the rule of thirds, and then a term that I call dime-sized head that I learned from my journalism days, the idea that on a 4x6 picture, any subject's head needs to be at least the size of a dime. Of course, this refers to the good old days when we actually used to print our pictures instead of seeing them on a device. They didn't quite get that concept, but that's all right. The bottom line is that the head of their subject took up a lot of space. That's what we wanted to see. I also taught them about leading lines and how that can really shape the composition of a photo. The one thing that was ironically the hardest thing to teach during this week on light was lighting. And that's something that's really hard to teach when we're talking about electronic devices these days. But I did tell them that good lighting, in other words, that you can see the subject, and good composition are just bar none when you're taking photos. You can't edit good lighting and good composition, or at least it's super hard to do that. Certainly with the composition part. Nowadays, there are programs where you can fix the lighting, but even that is super hard. So anyway, as we thought about waves and we thought about vision, I hope the lesson this week on photography was a lot of fun. Our contest winner for the photo contest was Claire. She did a wonderful job showing us a still life picture that had a lot of good emphasis, a lot of good contrast, and it used the rule of thirds. It was really good. But the kids had a great time. It was a lot of fun today. Next week, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to take advantage of the good weather and do some stuff related more to the physical world. It'll be a lot of fun. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.